Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed adjustment and mental health. In today's class, we will study another important topic which is child centered education and progressive education. This topic is very important for a CTET because it focuses on modern teaching methods and student centered learning. So, let us begin today's session. Traditional education focused on teacher centered methods, where the teacher controls everything. Modern education focuses on child centered education, where the child is the center of the learning process. This approach is very important for CTET exams. Meaning of child centered education. Child centered education means teaching is planned according to the needs, interests, and abilities of the child. Key idea: child is the active participant, teacher acts as a facilitator. Characteristics of child centered education: focus on individual differences, active participation of students, learning through experiences, encourages creativity and thinking, flexible teaching methods. In a child centered education, these are the of characteristics of child centered educations. Role of teacher: in child centered education, teacher is guide and facilitator, supporter of learning, motivator, observer. Teacher helps students learn by doing. Now, progressive education. Progressive education is based on the idea learning should be practical and experience based. It was supported by John Dewey. Key idea: learning through experiences and activities. Principles of progressive education: learning by doing, problem solving approach, focus on real life experiences, student centered learning, democratic classroom environment. Difference between traditional and child centered education. Traditional education is teacher centered, or child centered education is child centered. Traditional education passive learning, child centered education active learning. Traditional education fixed curriculum, child centered education flexible curriculum. In traditional education, root learning, and child centered education conceptual learning. Importance in a classroom: child centered education helps develop creativity, improve understanding, build confidence, encourage participation. It makes learning interesting and effective. Educational implications: teacher should focus on students' needs, use activity based teaching, encourage participation, create interactive classroom. Important CTET points: child centered education focuses on student needs, teacher is a facilitator, John Dewey, progressive education, learning by doing is a key concept. So, friends, in today's class, we discuss child centered education and progressive education. We learn how modern education focuses on students' needs and active learning. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in this CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss constructivism, Piaget and Vygotsky, a very important CTET topic. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.